In this video, how to download and install Capcut for PC. Open your web browser in the Google search bar. Type Capcut for Windows download and press enter. Look for links that seem to be from official sources, such as the official Capcut website. On the official website, look for a Download or Get Capcut for Windows button. Click on it to start the download process. Once the download is complete, locate the downloaded file usually in your Downloads folder, and double-click on it to run the installer. Follow the on-screen instructions provided by the installer. This usually involves agreeing to the terms and conditions, choosing an installation location, and selecting any additional preferences. After the installation is complete, you should be able to launch Capcut from your Windows. As of my last update in September 2021, Capcut primarily functions on mobile devices if a Windows version has been introduced. It might offer features like video editing, trimming, filters, and text overlays. Verify from official sources for its current capabilities. Always exercise caution when due.